In this MegaSites review, I'm going to be showing you a software that you can use to create websites for yourself or to sell for other businesses in 30 seconds or less. Make sure you stay until the end of this review, as I'm also going to be showing you all the different OTOs and upgrades so you'll know exactly what you're getting into if you decide to purchase. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out MegaSites, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. Also, hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you inside of Warrior Plus after you purchase through my link. Let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says now 30 seconds is all you need to create a stunning website. Futuristic AI technology creates automated high converting websites in just 30 seconds that you can sell for the top dollar in hottest niches. Skip hassles to directly dominate trending niches like fitness, dating, pets, self-improvement, technology, affiliate marketing, finance, and countless others. So essentially what this is, it's a website builder that you can use to build websites either for yourself or sell to businesses. That has SSL encryption. You can use your own domain with it if you want. Built-in WordPress installer included as well. They host your websites for you all inside of this platform. Step one, you purchase the offer. Step two, fill in some quick details like business name, color scheme, and contact details. And then step three, your website is all set up and ready to go. And I'm going to actually show you an example website on this review here today. So there's some more normal sales page stuff here. I like to skip through a lot of this. La la la. Move down here. It says here you can skip things like hosting and SEO cost, no restrictions, zero downtime. With this, here's some testimonials that they have here. And they've got some sales here. I don't know what this, I mean, I guess this is from like selling websites with this. So I guess that's something there. Here's some more websites that people sold. So essentially you could use this to create websites and to sell them. Let me scroll down to the bottom here, past all this crazy stuff. Okay, so if you decide to purchase today, you get 100 plus done for you stunning website templates, a website creator, drag and drop editor, hosting included, it's mobile responsive, SEO optimized, secure and compliant, Google Analytics, custom domain option if you want it, commercial license so you can sell it as a service, file manager, etc. All these different things included for a one low time price. So what I'm going to do now is show you a quick video explaining this a little bit more, and I'll be back to show you the dashboard, a real example site, and the OTOs.
How would you like to have access to a state-of-the-art platform, high-converting websites in just 30 seconds that you can sell for the top dollar in the hottest niches? Imagine if in minutes from now you could get sophisticated yet incredibly easy AI-powered website creator, fully hosted, SEO optimized, and mobile responsive, 100 plus DFY stunning templates to create high-converting websites within seconds, unlimited hosting of sites and domains at the tiniest one-time cost, complete data protection with free end-to-end SSL encryption, one-click creation and hosting of websites, increase your income in a big way by strengthening your online business portfolio, sell the most in-demand digital service to become a force to be reckoned with, unlimited bandwidth at no extra or monthly cost, and 100% uptime. All this and more for a one-time low fee. Welcome to MegaSites. And as the name itself suggests, you pay only once and enjoy all the benefits of this breakthrough software forever. Say goodbye to heavy monthly fees, expensive tools and experts, exorbitant hosting costs, unhappy customers, work overload, security breaches and threats, unending wait time, debts, unnecessary hassles. MegaSites is the futuristic AI technology automatically creates stunning websites that'll help you skyrocket profits at the lowest one-time cost. In just 3 steps, you'll start saving and making huge amounts of profits. Step 1. Grab MegaSites at an unbeatable cost today and simply log in from any browser. Step 2. Fill in some quick details like business name, color scheme, and contact details. Step 3. Voila! Your website is ready to be published and sold on top platforms instantly and effortlessly. Here's what all you can use MegaSites for. Create unlimited websites by niches using our built-in templates or from scratch in a few clicks. Set up your website in under 30 seconds. Access extremely reliable lifetime hosting at no additional cost. Choose from 100 plus DFY stunning design templates and countless themes. All websites are optimized to rank high across search engines. Pull in endless smartphone traffic with fully mobile responsive websites. Create your own domain or host on MegaSites subdomain. Your websites are 100% protected and secure. You can add pop-ups to prompt your visitors to instant action. Measure your ROI and other visitor statistics using Google Analytics integration from within your dashboard. Embed forms, scripts, videos, and lots more without being a tech genius. 24/7 support and training included to help you ace the tool from day one. Sell these money magnets on popular platforms instantly for big commissions and a lot more. MegaSites is perfect for you if you own a business, service, or are a marketer. You want to survive in this new age digital world. You'd like to build local business or personal websites with a click of a few buttons. You'd like to set up websites in record time and begin attracting a huge amount of visitors. You don't want to ever pay a penny for hosting your websites until the end of time. You would like to sit back and relax because your data and site is absolutely secure. You'd like to give up the stress of handling web designers or paying ineffective and complicated designing platforms. You'd like to dominate trending niches without any prior experience. You'd like to witness higher conversion rates, sales, and profits. You'd like to create your digital identity and add everlasting credibility to your brand. It's a true win-win, but only available until the timer on this page hits 0. So hurry, take action now. Click the buy button below and claim your exclusive one-time fee access to what's fast becoming the most preferred website builder for business owners and marketers around the world. Welcome to MegaSites.
So this is what the dashboard is going to look like once you purchase. You'll have access to all this here. We can create your new site. You have all your different sites here, walkthrough videos, bonuses, all included in here. Now, this is an example site that was created using this software here. And this is just, again, an example, something that you could customize and make it exactly how you want it. Change the images, change the text, and use one of their templates to create a website. Now, they do have OTOs. So the first one here says unleash the unlimited offer, get access to unlimited websites, unlimited domains, unlimited hosting. So if you want to take it to the next level and have the unlimited version, you can pick this one up here. See if they show the price for this on the page. $37.05 is the current price listed. That might be higher once you get there. Next one, you can add these add-on features done for your e-com funnels, done for your blogs, done for your squeeze pages, generate leads, dedicated support. This one is, let's see if I can see the price here. It's not showing me the price for this, but yeah, this one, let me see here. I can click this and show you the price. This one's going to be $37.05 for that one as well. So it looks like that's going to be the price. Now, I don't think there are any downsells on this one. Let me check it. Nope, there are no downsells on this one here. So it's the prices that you see are the prices that you're going to get at this point. Leverage 3 separate billion-dollar industries with done for your membership portals, course portals, and affiliate promos here. So these are different like membership portals. You can use these for membership sites, affiliate websites, etc. With this one. And I believe the price is most likely going to be the same there for this one. But we can check it. Why not? $37.05. Yep. Then they have an agency deal. Activate your full-blown website agency, 100% done for your agency. So if you want to go and like go all in this and do your own agency and actually sell this as a service, $97 here for this one. Next one, full white label rights for this. So if you want to get the white label license and actually have this as your own software, $197. You can brand it as your own. And the last one here, the secret to making profits revealed. So it's a 1K Academy here, and this one is $97 for this one here. So all these different OTOs and upgrades, completely optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget about the ones that you don't. So what do I like about MegaSites and what don't I like about it? If I had to say something that I don't like about this, I guess just the fact that you aren't hosting everything on your own hosting service means that you have less control of this. So it's not like you're hosting it on HostGator or like Bluehost or one of these well-known companies. Just so you know, it's probably not going to be as good as those. What do I like about this? For anyone that's on a budget, anyone that wants to set up their own website and they don't have money to pay monthly fees for, you just want to get up and running quickly, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at MegaSites, go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.